At approximately 10:54 a.m. on January 8, 2024, the Trotwood police responded to a domestic assault at Voyager Village. Danger factors ignited when the suspect, armed with a long gun, pointed his weapon at officers after striking a relative with his truck. The police chase began on West 3rd Street as the armed individual barreled toward downtown Dayton on US 35.
It's a white four-door extended cab. Somebody get 6 to 49.
Let's say one of you again. Trotwood is pursuing the vehicle. Hold on, he's like the break. Okay. 3rd Street. He's about to turn down 3rd Street.
Let's just know that not the connector. The high-powered ride going with vehicle.
Going north on Abbey. So actually looking back to west
Alright, dispatch 59, Lieutenant 35, Dashcam, over 33. Watch out! And then wherever they're at, both directions, 35 Abbey. Get your radio, turn on fire, turn on out the window. I can see the gun on the ground now. They're all crews.
February 22, 2022, Dayton police pursued and arrested Davian Jackson, 24 years old, after a dramatic high-speed chat.
There's a rifle. There's a rifle. Rifle in the car. Hit it. Break it.
Okay. Turn around the other way again. Right in.
Get off the radio. I'm in pursuit of a black Charger westbound on 2nd Street from Irwin.
Officers raced to catch up with Davion, who wouldn't make it very far on several deflating tires. That's when the rain began falling. The cops needed to get him stopped before he slid off the road and hurt some innocent bystander.
Springfield, come up the road 4. He is going to go. He's going to go onto Horseman. We're going to be going south on Horseman. Try to ping you.
Speeds are too fast right now. They're at 70. I cannot hit.
While the pursuit continued across multiple roadways, Jackson S. tires were deflated after hitting police stop sticks before he lost control and crashed into a fence at the National Museum of the United States Air Force Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Jackson fled on foot but was quickly tackled by a police officer and arrested at approximately 2:47 p.m.
Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over! You have to stop resisting! Stop resisting right now! We cuffs, we got cuffs. I'm not resisting, I just go. What do I do? 14, we're getting them in custody now. Okay, getting one secured.
Hey, what do I do?
We're on an airway.
What'd you do?
Horseman.
I was asleep.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can I pull my pants up, please?
No, you can't.
Just fine with
You were running.
I am sorry. Yes, I am sorry.
You rammed us. You could have killed somebody.
I know. I really am sorry.
It's too late now.
I know.
It's over with.
On July 14, 2024, a heart-pounding pursuit unfolded in Missouri when Trooper Bridges spotted a white GMC Sierra traveling at 98 miles per hour. This reckless driving behavior not only constituted a serious traffic violation, but also revealed dangerous criminal secrets behind the wheel.
Springfield 248. Slow down and brake checking 248 at 92 miles per hour. How's traffic?
It's now southbound in the northbound lane.
Dropping southbound in the northbound lane of 13. Through the West Rush. 248 original charges speed, is that correct? Springfield 248.
I hit him off the road. We're southbound. Oh, he just struck another car. We're at Wheeler's Livestock.
But the successful seizure of the vehicle used as evidence and the stolen firearm is a testament to the vigilance of Missouri law enforcement. This serves as a stern warning. Any disregard for the law on the highway will soon face the firm enforcement of patrol officers.
Any guns or anything on him?
Not on him.
Huh?
Not on him.
Is there one in the vehicle? The girlfriend advised he did have a gun, but she believes it's in the vehicle. So I'm gonna have to check it out real quick. Can't believe he did that.
You're trying to get out of town to go be with his grandma so that we can stay sober for a day. We're trying to get better, but this happened.
Was that his vehicle or is it a stolen vehicle or what?
It's a stolen vehicle.
248 Springfield, you gotta read back on that license plate.
Set on the 9672 King Boy.
10-3 out of Kentucky.
10-4, there's no 29 and no record found through Kentucky.
10-4, the girlfriend's advising me it's a stolen vehicle.
10-4.
Is that a plate that they just got from somewhere or what?
I don't know. What was I thinking?
When you guys decided to go the wrong way, I'm like, I can't allow that.
That's the 7th Street.
7th Street.
August 10th of 2022, ASP Trooper Jessica McCord was on patrol in Little Rock, Arkansas when she spotted a suspicious vehicle with tinted windows. She and her partner followed the car. That's when the driver got nervous and basically started the chase on their own.
Go.
That's the 7th Street. Heavy traffic prevented the officer from safely pit maneuvering the suspect. Ironically, traffic quickly became their best friend when the driver suddenly took the next exit.
Yes, sir. She's pregnant, sir. You hear me?
Doing that? That doesn't give you an excuse to run from me.
Give me that. I'm sorry. But she pregnant, man. I'm sorry, she pregnant.
No, we're 15.
No, I mean, see, that's
On 36, 10, 15.
I've been trying to take her home. You hear me?
15 2 times and tell them to clear the net. Start looking like this.
On 36, we're 10, 15 times 2. Can you clear the net and start at 10, 11?
Let's get a 16. She's pregnant. We'll get 10-16 check her out.
Unfortunately, we never learned the suspect's name or what he was charged with, though it was likely along the lines of fleeing and reckless driving. He could also be looking at false imprisonment charges if his female passenger didn't want to be in the car. It's unclear if she had anything to do with the chase, or if she was actually pregnant at the time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more just like it, be sure to click the link on screen now.